This is a quick tutorial on how to import and work with OBJ files in Blender. OBJ is a common 3D file format used to store data on object geometry and materials. It's often accompanied by an MTL file and a texture pack. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download real-world products from a manufacturer's website and import them into Blender at real-world scale. So let's get started. A useful resource for architects and designers are manufacturer websites. In this example, I'll download bathroom fixtures from Kohler's Purist collection. Links to the products are in the description if you'd like to follow along. On the product page, scroll down to Design Files. Many manufacturers provide 2D CAD and 3D files alongside the specification sheet, and here you can see several formats including SketchUp, DXF, 3ds, and OBJ. We're going to download the OBJ file. I found that works well with Blender and also Rhinoceros. Sometimes the file downloads normally. Other times, clicking download opens a browser tab full of text. These sets of numbers are actually the object's geometry data. Each set of numbers is a vertex with an X, Y, and Z value. If this happens, don't worry. Press Ctrl S to save as, and under Save As type, change TXT file or text file to all files, and then rename your file ending in .obj. I also recommend giving it a descriptive name instead of using the product number. After downloading all of the fixtures you need, place them in a project folder to stay organized. Now let's switch over to Blender. Go to File, Import, and select Wavefront OBJ. Select your OBJ file and set the up axis to Z and click Import. The fixture has imported successfully, but it's much larger than it should be. This happens because I'm using inches, but Blender treats the units as meters. Since there are 39.3701 inches in a meter, we need to scale it down by that factor. Press A to select all, S to scale, and then enter 1 divided by 39.3701. Check out the screencast keys for the exact input. You have to add a backspace in there. It's a little tricky. Now let's verify the scale. Using the measure tool, we can check the width of the bathtub. It measures 60 inches, which matches the manufacturer's specifications. You can also import multiple OBJ files at once. Scale them all down by a factor of 39.3701. Some fixtures may also import with the wrong orientation. We can fix that by simply rotating them into position as needed. Once everything's oriented correctly, it's a good idea to organize the models into collections. I'll quickly create a collection for each fixture so that it's easy to manage later. With the model organized, select everything and apply the transformations using Ctrl A for the apply menu and select all transformations. This resets the scale and rotation values while preserving the correct size and orientation. And now we'll create some simple materials. For the toilet and sink, create a new material, call it porcelain, and using a white base color, lower the roughness to create a smooth ceramic finish. For the metal fixtures, create a material called polished chrome, increase the metallic value and lower the roughness to create a reflective metal surface. You can reuse these materials across multiple objects. For some parts, such as the shower head, you may want a less reflective finish. Simply duplicate the chrome material and increase the roughness to create a more matte metal appearance. After assigning materials, save the Blender file. Because each fixture has been organized into its own collection, they can easily be linked or appended into future projects without having to repeat the import process. You can also add them to your asset library. So to recap, in this video you've seen how to import manufacturer-provided OBJ files, correctly scale and organize them, and apply materials so that they're ready to use in a Blender scene. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out some of my other videos, including my bathroom modeling project, in which these fixtures are used in a complete architectural workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blender content, and thank you for watching.